How to get the Mimimi Emote in Clash Royale. So this emote is one of the most popular and also expressive emotes in Clash Royale, and like many exclusive ones, it's not always available to everyone. Originally, this emote was released as a limited time reward, often tied to special challenges, community events, and all past Royale seasons. If you missed it during its first release, don't worry. Supercell frequently brings other older emotes back in Shop Office or emote reruns during events or anniversaries. To get it now, check the in-game shop daily, especially under the emotes section, since it sometimes appears for purchase with gems or real money. You can also look out for special challenges that include emote rewards. Those are your best chances to grab rare ones like Mimimi. So if you want this emote, just stay active, check your shop often, and don't skip seasonal events. That's when Supercell loves to bring fan favorites emotes back for a limited time. That's it, guys. Enjoy the emotes and good luck acquiring it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.